In this video I would like to show you something that you might not know, but you should be aware that all the historical data we see is calculated data, more or less, and I will show you something that is a little bit weird. So if you see the scale here below, we have several months that are listed one behind the other, and suddenly here we have January the 3rd, January the 4th, and so on. So why is the same scale here much less complex? And that's because when you zoom into the chart, you will notice that each of those candles here has a value that can be shown when you hover with the mouse over the chart. This is the price for the open, the high, the low, and the close price for November the 15th, and the next candle here will show us the same data for the next day, but actually we have said that we want to trade on a 1 hour chart. So what you see with your own eyes here is that for January we have a price for midnight. Let's go a little bit further into the data. This is the next year. And here suddenly we have a price for 10 o'clock. The next candle is for 11 o'clock. And the next one is for 12 o'clock. That is the way it should be. But actually, when you look at a chart like this one, you might probably not notice that up to the date where we started the strategy test, all the data is just one candle per day, even we have chosen to trade the hourly chart. So basically this is a quality issue for visual data. And if we start the test here and zoom into the chart, you will see now we have separate candles for each hour. So data quality might be an issue, especially if you're trading the early years. Let's do another test. This time I'm using the Euro US dollar. Here we are. And if we go back in time, you can see we have hourly charts and data that is available for December 2002. Just remember, we have picked to trade from February 2003. So in this case, the data quality is okay. Now let's pick the whole year. Let's set that back to the defaults and start. Now we should get a result in a few seconds. There we are. And it says that the history quality was 99%. So if you don't understand why you have bad results, one of the things that you need to check is the history quality. Let's repeat the whole thing for the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. And here it says the history quality is 0. So make sure to check out the backtest tab and the value for the history quality every time you do a strategy test. Okay, so far so good. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.